What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, we are in the shop again today. It's kind of blah outside. I mean, we have gotten rain all day, all night. I mean, it's flooded. You can hear it running down there in the ditch. So that being said, I figured why not try some of the white diamond metal polish. We'll be using it here. I'm actually going to be using it with a polishing wheel and the drill. A lot of people just use it by hand. We're actually going to be using the drill and then probably the black ball here. Throw it in there. And then I'll grab a microfiber. We'll put it on there. I just want to see what this stuff's going to do. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I mean, these wheels are pretty clean other than like a few small pitting spots. So I'm going to see what happens when I hit it with this white diamond metal polish, see if it takes any of that stuff out. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. I'm going to try and set the camera up, probably up here on the flatbed so you guys can see it a little bit better. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump on in. I'm hoping you guys can hear me all right because it is raining really hard and it sounds like hail hitting the top of the shop roof here. But there we go, guys. That is, I ran it over with the polishing ball, let it sit for about 2 minutes, wiped it clean, and it turned out pretty good. I mean, it shined it up really nice. There still is some like pitting and stuff, if you guys can see it, in the corners and stuff. But I mean, they're not terrible. That wheel there is the one I used the white diamond on, and then this one here, if I can roll it out here real quick, is the one that I just used the polishing ball on, and then some rubbing compound and some oh shoot, polish on. It's a little dusty, but I mean, it's still cleaned up really nice. Like I said, it is dusty. But I'm probably gonna hit all of them with the white diamond just to get them all cleaned up real well. But these ones over here I haven't even touched yet, so I need to get these ones out. But like I said, it cleaned it up fairly decent. I'm probably gonna use it on some of the parts here on the 79 as well, like the air breather cover. Probably pull it off and wipe it down real quick, and then I might hit the door handles here to see what happens. But I think I might just end up painting these black. Because I mean, they are kind of junky looking. Oh well, you guys will be able, there you go. I mean, they're just kind of beat up. But some of the other trim, it might shine up decent, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get those other ones hit. I'll bring you guys back for a final view of them. But it's not super hard. A lot of people, like I said, will just use a rag or a microfiber, stick it on there, wipe it on, let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then come back with a different microfiber and just wipe it clean. And I mean, like I said, it does shine it up really well. I mean, you can just see the reflection from the light and stuff. So I'll probably end up putting like a the last coat, ceramic coating over top just to seal them all up. So the water and stuff does beat off of them and they kind of stay shiny, and then it's easier to clean them. But I'm gonna go ahead and get all the other ones done. Like I said, I'll bring you guys back once we get it done. So here's the first one we did, guys. The second one's over here. Same thing, I just kind of wiped it on. I didn't use the polishing wheel or anything on this one just because the white diamond doesn't take any of the pitting out. I wanted to see if it would on the first wheel. But I mean, obviously there's some pitting left in this, but I mean, it cleans it up really nice. I mean, just look at the reflection right there. It does a pretty decent job for a wipe on, wipe off application. If you guys do have any deep pitting, you will probably need to sand it and then polish it back to life. I hit the top of the air breather here on the 79. It did an okay job on cleaning it up. It does leave like a haziness. I'm not sure if it's just the air breather or if it's the product, if you leave it on there a little too long, if it does that. But like I said, for a wipe on, wipe off application, it's pretty quick, it's easy. I mean, obviously it does a decent job. I just kind of want to review it because I've had a lot of people tell me about that stuff. So I figured I'd give it a try, but like I said, if you're going to try and get any deep like pitting or anything out, you're definitely going to want to try something else. Just sand it and then polish it back to life method. I mean, that's what I would do. But yeah, I'm working on the streetcar takeover part 2 video now. I'm going to hope to have it done tonight or upload it tonight and or tomorrow, which will be Friday. You guys probably won't be seeing this video till this weekend. And yeah, so I hope you guys like the little product review on the white diamond. Like I said, for a wipe on, wipe off application, it does fantastic. I figured I'd give it a shot. So that being said, guys, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.